Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to transfer Roblox to another account. Go to PC and open the browser. Open the Roblox website and sign in into your account. Then open another tab and search for createroblox.com. Then click on Dashboard. Now click on your experience. From the left side, go to Monetization. Then click on Passes from it. Now click on Create a Pass. Now enter the name. Now click on Create Pass. Now click on the pass. Then click on Sales from left side. Then turn on Item for Sale toggle. Now set the price for it. Now click on Save Changes. Then click on Go back to Associated Items. Now click on three dots on the Game Pass. Then click on Copy URL. Now go to roblox.com website. Then click on Setting icon from the top right. Now click on Switch account. Then sign in with another account. Now open the new tab from the browser. Then paste the copied link on the top search bar. Now click on Buy. Now click on Buy Now. Then click on top right setting icon. Now click on the main account. Now click on the Roblox money icon. Then click on My Transactions. You can see pending Roblox 100 here. By following these steps, you can transfer Roblox to another account.
If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.